In a major twist to the latest SEBI saga, the Bombay High Court has agreed to an urgent hearing on Tuesday, the 4th of March, on SEBI and BSE's plea against an FIR directive in the CALS Refineries case. An anti-corruption branch court in Mumbai had last week ordered an FIR and investigation into former SEBI chief Madhabi Puri Bhuj, former BSE chairman Pramod Agarwal and the current BSE CEO Sundararaman Ramamurthy, along with several other SEBI and BSE officials. However, the Bombay High Court has put the FIR on hold until the hearing. The case dates back to 1994, when CALS Refineries was listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange under allegedly disputed circumstances. Allegations of regulatory lapses and collusion prompted the ACB court to direct an FIR citing prima facie evidence of market manipulation and corporate fraud. SEBI officials named in the FIR have emphasized that they were not in their positions at the time of the listing. Both SEBI and BSE challenged the ACB court's orders, describing it as frivolous and vexatious. Complaint was filed by a journalist who alleges that SEBI neglected its duty in ensuring CALS Refineries' compliance with listing regulations, leading to substantial investor losses. CALS Refineries, originally a hardware firm, faced scrutiny in the year 2013 over irregularities related to global depository receipts issuance, resulting in SEBI banning several entities from the market for a decade. The case of CALS Refineries highlights persistent legal challenges stemming from historical market irregularities. As SEBI and BSE prepare their legal defenses, the outcome of the upcoming hearing on March 4th will be crucial in determining the course of this complex legal battle. The Bombay High Court's decision will set a precedent for how regulatory bodies handle such cases in the future.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.